Navigating offline use of Office 365 features.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into an important topic for all Microsoft Office 365 users. Can you use all the features of Office 365 while working offline?
What is Office 365?
Before we tackle the main question, let's quickly recap what Office 365 is. Office 365, now known as Microsoft 365, is a subscription-based service by Microsoft that includes access to various Office applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, among others.
Can you use Office 365 offline?
So here's the million-dollar question. Can you use Office 365 offline? The answer is yes and no. Certain features of Office 365 can be used offline, but not all. Here's what you need to know. 1. Desktop applications. The desktop versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote have offline capabilities. Once these applications are installed on your local machine, you can create, open, edit, and save files without an internet connection. 2. Outlook. Microsoft's email client, Outlook, also has offline capabilities. When offline, you can read emails, draft emails, view your calendar, and perform other tasks. However, to send or receive new emails, you'll need to reconnect to the internet.
What Office 365 features cannot be used offline?
Despite having a good amount of offline functionality, there are several Office 365 features that require an internet connection. These include 1. Online-only applications. Some Office 365 applications, such as Teams and Stream, are online only and require an internet connection to access. 2. File syncing and sharing. While you can work on files offline, any changes made won't be synced to the cloud until you reconnect to the internet. Similarly, if you're working in a team, you won't be able to collaborate in real time on a document without an internet connection. 3. Updates. Office 365 updates are delivered over the internet. If you're working offline, you won't receive these updates until you reconnect. In conclusion, while many features of Office 365 can be used offline, some crucial ones require an internet connection. Understanding these limitations will help you plan your work more efficiently, particularly if you anticipate periods without an internet connection. Remember, prepare ahead, save your work locally, and sync when you're back online. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.